Okay, hello. Welcome to my pew pew. Okay. Hi. Okay. Welcome to another video while okay, dark is inside of me. Okay. Hi. Hey, I am a mic. Okay, this is microwave. This is cloudy. This is dark. This is beach. This is pink. Okay, well, right now we're gonna... What? Come to see this cloudy child. Where's Cloudy? Where's Cloudy? Anyway, I must pause the video to get everything organized. Or not. Cloudy's here. Anyway, we are now organized. Now we're all gonna wave. Maybe. Hi, rats. They're called KKs. KKs! KKs! And you must know that we're called KKs. We'll be doing randomness. Yes, randomness. We need to do randomness. Two fur growth Mansons. Two fur man. Okay. Go to fur! Okay. Let's go. Okay, didn't know there's gonna be a crowd behind me. Yay! Run. I need to be faster than everyone. Okay. I'm not in the lead anymore. I am, slowing down. That's Valedale. Or is this Valedale? Oops. I'm so stupid. I thought that would be Fir Grove because, like... Oh my god, why am I so stupid? Okay. I forgot my white leg wraps. I'm not gonna wear them. Who cares if I don't have them? I'm a cheater. She used a trailer. Trailer! Oh my god, no! A quarter horse. No, not a quarter, but wait, yeah, it's a quarter horse. Trailer! Yep. Low. Whoa, 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 oh, lag, wow. Okay, that's kind of stupid. Oh no, okay. Never try taking the short way. Oh, I have a quest over there. I'll do that later. I'm on level 16. Oh, I know that. Your level 16. That was a long run. Oh yeah, it took about like 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, we're almost all here. Everyone's inside, wow. This is the Oreos Club, by the way, because we are yummy. Well, it's supposed to have like black, white. We all here? think. Okay. I believe so. I think so. Okay, follow me. Phil on one little. Are we all like? There's one person. Okay. Gonna become fat. Wait, what? Someone's late. Someone's late. Okay. Cool. Okay, we have a... These two are like always inside of each other. 3. I don't know. We're all kinda synchronized. What a short club name though, but whatever. This is gonna take forever. I can tell. This is good. Where's my mic when you need it? I guess I won't have one. I think I passed it. You know what? I don't know. I think on the mountains. What? Oh, I know the way, child. Goats. Mountain goats. Yeah. Bah. Bah. Are we up there yet? Bah. Turn around! Okay, turn around. Wow, you're leading. Yay! What? I'm totally behind you. I'm that one, yeah. I'm one level below you. Lucky. I'm the one, yeah. I'm going to put. It'd be like a music video. Okay, I like making. Don't judge me. Where are you going? I meant over here. I keep my horse. I keep my horse. Look, it's a wolf. Oh no, we will all die. I'm gonna end up dying anyway in these cliffs. They'll be up here soon, if they don't die. Whoa! Please excuse that one little thing. I'ma go sledding. Let's go. Wait. I noticed that I just failed. See ya. Okay, I did not die. Wow. Where is everyone? I'm going back. His name is hashtags. Nice. Good name for a wolf. Hashtags. Oh, hell. That's the wrong cliff. Lel. Wait, one thing. Whoa, so beautiful. So beautiful. Ow! I won golden champ. I have never done it. Cool, good job. What? Why? How, when, how, why, how, when, why? Why do I still have my reins on? Like, that's messed up. That's very messed up. Thank you very much. Okay, there we go. Okay, my instant is Bella _ SSO. Okay, I'll learn that. But I'm a wild horse. I'm a wild horsey. I can die. Okay, I guess I did right. Well, that's the... Well, that's the end. Oh my gosh, now I can't move. Bye, my cakes. Bye, my cakes. Okay, I need help. I need help right now. I can't end the video like this. I can't. Okay, well, goodbye. And I hope you enjoyed. I really do, because I am not enjoying right now. Okay, enjoy the video.